Everyone talks about the profit in Forex, but very few talk about the pain. People enter Forex thinking it's easy money, trade a little, earn a lot. But the truth is, Forex is risky because it plays with your emotions before it plays with your money. At first, it feels exciting. Small wins make you confident. You start believing, I have got this. Then one bad trade comes, and instead of stopping, you try to recover. That's where the damage starts. Forex gives you leverage. It lets you trade big with small money. This can grow your account fast or wipe it out even faster. One wrong decision, one emotional trade, and everything can disappear. Because the market doesn't care about your hopes. It doesn't know you need money. It doesn't know this is your last balance. The market only does what it wants. And most traders don't lose because of bad strategy. They lose because of fear, greed, and impatience. Closing trades too early, holding losses too long, breaking rules again and again. And social media makes it worse. You see profits, luxury, success stories, but you don't see the blown accounts, the sleepless nights, or the silent stress. Forex has no fixed income. You can be right today and wrong tomorrow. Even professionals lose trades. The difference is they manage risk, they protect their capital. So the Forex is risky not because it's fake. It's risky because most people come unprepared. No plan, no discipline, no patience. So if you respect the market, it may reward you. If you chase money, it will punish you. In Forex, surviving is more important than winning.